How do I take meat from the East Coast on a plane to the West Coast? Put your meat in there. Hey, it's Shane with Straight Arrow Adventures, and I have an answer to a question that I get asked quite often. How do I take meat from the East Coast on a plane to the West Coast? So today I'm going to answer that question and show you how I do it. So first step, harvest a deer. Okay, that's been done. Second step, you gotta clean it. Okay, well, we've done that. Third step, you gotta process it. We've done that. We ground all of our ground, we butchered it up, we vacuum sealed the butchered meat, the back straps and the tenderloins that we're gonna keep. And now it's time, we freeze it. So now all that meat is frozen, and then we packaged it in a cooler. After we have it packed in a cooler, weigh it. Check with your airline to make sure what it's going to weigh. If it's going to be 50 pounds like Southwest or 40 pounds like Frontier. On Southwest, it's 50. So I packed this igloo, 50 pounds of venison, ground, back straps, tenderloins. And now, what I'm going to show you is my steps for taking it on a plane. First step, fill it and weigh it. Weighed it, filled it, it's 50 pounds on the nose. I was exact this time. Next, get yourself some shipping tape. Wrap the cooler a couple of different ways. I wrap it one time going around it this way, one time going that on the lid, so it would be this way, whatever. It's a cooler, it's got four sides, wrap it going each way. Wrap it with tape, okay? Wrap it with tape, not duct tape. Duct tape is going to fall apart. This stuff isn't going to fall apart, but wrap it with shipping tape. And then you're going to take it to the counter and you're just going to check it like a normal checked bag. They might ask you what's inside of it and you just say venison, frozen venison. They're going to ask you if there's any dry ice in it. There better not be. They won't package it with dry ice or wet ice. Just freeze the meat, put the meat in the cooler, put it on the plane. It will stay frozen as long as, well, I've been in travel for 10 hours and I got home and the meat was still frozen because they don't open the cooler. And the cooler stays cold because inside it's still frozen. All that meat that's frozen is keeping itself cold. So I haven't had a problem with my meat spoiling or thawing even. There is a tiny risk and they don't run the risk. We do as the person shipping the goods, so to speak. So if you package it up, it's frozen when you put it in the cooler, wrap the cooler, put it on the plane, it's cold underneath the plane, it's cold in baggage. So it's gonna help keep that cooler insulated. But package it up, roll in, you're going to ship it just like anything else, and it's going to work, okay? You don't have anything that can't be in there. I have sometimes, I had a knife one time that I couldn't take with me on the plane. My only checked bag was my cooler. Drop it in the cooler. They don't mind. It's okay. So do that. But that's it's so simple, and so many people have never done it, and so they don't know. But don't be afraid of the process. You're gonna take your cooler, put your meat in there. Ooh. You're gonna wrap it with tape, and then you're just gonna take it to the checkout counter. You're going to check it as your checked bag, okay? If it weighs more than 50 pounds, they're gonna charge you for overage, okay? So make sure that it's 50 pounds, weigh it. After that, take it home, share it with your friends, or eat it all yourself. I told you that I was gonna give you a dad joke more often, so here's your dad joke. Why can't dinosaurs clap their hands? Because they're extinct. Hope you enjoyed. But enjoy your game meat, make sure you cook it properly. And hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helps. And I hope it gets you over some of your worry about taking frozen meat on planes. And then I get home, put it in the freezer instantly. All good. I hope it eases your questions and your concerns. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. If this video helped you, please let me know that it helped you in the comments. And if you like what we've been putting out, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel. It helps me to go on more trips to be able to make you more videos. Hey, we'll see you on the next adventure. I'm gonna give you an extra bonus dad joke because I didn't give you one last time. Where do I store these amazing dad jokes? In the database.